David has been changing habits. She has been checking the data. Kareem has been checking the engine. They have been complaining nonstop. Maria has been drawing cartoons. I have been driving all morning. Emma has been fixing the car. He has been learning to drive. Sophia has been lifting weights. We have been mowing the lawn. Daniel has been organizing events. She has been practicing piano. Raheem has been preparing breakfast. They have been repairing bikes. Olivia has been repairing machines. I have been repairing the roof. Hassan has been repairing watches. She has been sleeping badly. Michael has been sorting papers. We have been studying for exams. Aisha has been taking notes. He has been teaching online. Nora has been training for months. They have been washing dishes. James has been working overtime. Fatima has been calling her all day. I have been checking my email. Robert has been collecting receipts. She has been following the rules. Imran has been jogging in the park. We have been listening carefully. Lisa has been looking for keys. He has been practicing speaking. Anna has been reading this book. They have been studying biology. Yusuf has been studying grammar. I have been studying history. Clara has been thinking about it. He has been updating his resume. Sarah has been waiting at home. We have been waiting for you. Arif has been waiting since lunch. She has been walking to work. Daniel has been working all day. I have been writing in my diary. It has been raining since dawn. Maya has been babysitting lately. He has been cooking since noon. Sophia has been crying for hours. They have been drawing portraits. Emma has been editing videos. We have been gardening all week. Lena has been learning English. He has been making phone calls. Maria has been organizing files. I have been painting the wall. David has been practicing violin. She has been practicing yoga. Hassan has been saving for college. They have been sending messages. Olivia has been serving customers. We have been studying hard. Rahima has been teaching children. He has been waiting patiently. Anna has been washing clothes. I have been watching my diet. Sophia has been working from home. They have been writing emails. Kareem and Nadia have been arguing again. We have been asking questions. Robert has been building a house. She has been checking tickets. Yusuf has been fixing computers. They have been making changes. Emma and Daniel have been moving furniture. I have been planting trees.
The children have been playing outside. Maria has been traveling a lot. He has been updating records. We have been visiting museums. Fatima and Aisha have been waiting here. David has been writing reports. They have been building trust. Sophia has been checking prices. I have been checking schedules. Kareem has been discussing options. We have been fixing the leak. Lisa has been meeting regularly. He has been painting the fence. Nora has been planning ahead. They have been planning their trip. Rahim and Hassan have been preparing dinner. She has been repairing doors. We have been saving money. Daniel has been sharing ideas. I have been solving problems. Maria and Emma have been studying together. He has been talking for hours. They have been trying to help. Grandma and the kids have been visiting relatives.